Good morning, students. Today I will explain you chapter 10 of novel. Carton keeps his promise. In this chapter, Carton decided to go to cafe whose owner was DeFaz. In cafe, Carton pretended to read a newspaper in order to listen conversation between DeFaz, his wife, and Jacques Three. Madame DeFaz remarked on the resemblance of the Carton to Charles, but later she ignored it. When Carton heard that Madame DeFaz can harm Dr. Manette, Lucy, little Lucy, and Charles, immediately Carton went away from the cafe, and on the way he met Laurie and Jerry Cruncher. Dr. Manette again went back to his shoemaker's reality. Everyone tried to comfort the old man, but could do little. Carton told Laurie, take the certificate which will allow the doctor, Lucy, little Lucy to get out of Paris. Laurie asked Carton why Dr. Lucy and little Lucy are in danger. Carton said, according to new law, if anyone cries over the death of a victim of La Guillotine, can themselves be put to death. So please leave for England as soon as possible. Do not delay it. Next day in the consultory, 52 men and women were waiting their turn to die at 3 o'clock. Charles alone sat on a little table in the dark cell. There he wrote short letters to Lucy, Dr. Manette, and Laurie. As soon as the door of the cell opened, Charles saw Carton, and Charles got surprised to see Carton. Carton ordered the Charles to wear his boots and coat. Then Carton said to Charles to write something. As soon as the Charles started writing, Carton placed a handkerchief under his nose. Soon Charles collapsed. Carton called Barsad to take Charles and get him into the carriage. Later, guard came and took Carton to the guillotine. In a card, young woman identified Carton and said, you are saving Charles by giving your life. Carton requested that woman to keep quiet. Jerry hired a carriage and waited at the cathedral for Miss Prose, who had gone to home to pack her belongings. But when Miss Prose reached home, there she saw Madame DeFaz searching Lucy and little Lucy. Miss Prose tried to stop her. In fact, Madame DeFaz fell to the floor by firing of her own pistol. Then Miss Prose ran away from there and reached at the cathedral. Then Jerry took her away from there. In front of La Guillotine, 22 heads were cut down, and Carton was standing in line to reach Guillotine. Last thoughts came to Carton's mind that Lucy, little Lucy, Charles are safe and living happily in England. At last, Carton felt an arm pulling and pushing him into the place where the blade would fall. Thanks. Let me assign you the homework. You have to write the word meanings which are given at the back of this book. Just please refer the dictionary. Next work, you have to write down the question answers on your notebook. But before that, you have to read the chapter thoroughly. Thanks.